In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore the ribbon toolbar in Outlook. If your Outlook toolbar seems to have disappeared, don't worry. This is usually caused by the ribbon being minimized, and it only takes a moment to bring it back. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open Outlook and go to Mail. Make sure you're on the main Mail screen before moving to the next step. This is important because the ribbon options are easiest to spot from the Mail view, where the standard toolbar appears across the top of the page. Once you're in Mail, look toward the right side of the top area of the screen. You're looking for a small downward arrow. This arrow controls how the ribbon is displayed. In some cases, the ribbon may be collapsed to save space, which can make it seem like the toolbar is missing even though it's still available. Click that downward arrow on the right side. As soon as you do, Outlook should restore the ribbon toolbar so it becomes visible again. This will bring back the top menu area where you can access common tools and commands more easily. If the ribbon had been hidden or minimized, the action should return it to its normal expanded view. Once restored, you should be able to see the toolbar options at the top of Outlook and use them the way you normally would. A helpful tip is to take a quick look at the top of the screen after restoring the ribbon, just to confirm everything is back in place. If your interface still looks different, make sure you are still in the Mail section and not in another part of Outlook where the layout may vary slightly. This is a very simple fix, but it can save a lot of frustration if you rely on the ribbon for quick access to email tools and settings. Knowing where that small arrow is can make it much easier to adjust your Outlook view whenever the toolbar gets hidden again in the viewer. That's all it takes to restore the ribbon toolbar in Outlook. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your Outlook layout back to normal.